I'm a mechanical engineer, and later I studied my master's in naval architecture. And then I was working in various cross-functional domains, but nothing much in IT specifically, but more inclined towards mechanical engineering. So at some point, I have seen the potential of the data science and AI, and then I started inquiring about the course, and then I found Learnbay, where they have presented a lot of detailed curriculum about various topics, and the course which I chose is a full stack data science and AI program. Before joining Learnbay, I don't have any prior knowledge on any of the tools, such as Python to begin with, which is like I would say the foundation of data science. And also no information about, or like no prior knowledge about the cloud infrastructure, as well as like the various visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau. But whatever, I mean, it's always better to start from somewhere, and having the foundation from Learnbay actually would benefit. You will not be sitting without knowing anything, that I would say. There is a lot of effort one has to put, both from the Learnbay team as well as from an individual perspective to this particular thing, because there is a gain for both, and it's quite important that you take the benefit or exploit the benefit of it by understanding and also asking questions, which was very it was in a very friendly approach, I would say, when it comes to Learnbay. The doubts clearing sessions are also pretty clear. There can be possibilities of even having one-to-one sessions to clear the doubts. When it comes to the projects which I have participated, like COVID tracking, COVID measurement, and then there was also something about the healthcare sector projects. So they have defined what the scope is and what are we actually doing it, along with the step-by-step approach of how it would have been done. And there was also a possibility that of doing it yourself, wherein instead of approaching how the trainer has taken the approach, you can try it in your own way and ask doubts as well. So I would urge everyone to do that, because that actually helps you to think in a way to approach a problem rather than just following it. But the project work itself is quite, I would say, almost realistic to what I'm doing. When it comes to the support, it was pretty quick and pretty efficient. So we had the possibility to, like, if there is in terms of like learning a new module which is not covered in the course, you can just write a mail, and it was there. Maybe also some issues with the LMS portal where you have access for the lifelong learning procedures. If there is something there which is missing, the Learnbay team will be quick enough to support. In my case, it was done within 24 hours of whenever I asked for an access or wanted to learn more of some other topic.